state government of Tripura, our party, and the central government. That you all the officers and the Tiprasas, all the entire citizens of Tiprasa, you all are aware of it. Second agenda is conduct of village committee elections. It has been left out in the last 4-5 years. And officially you all are also finding it very difficult to implement the skills. As for the guideline you have to follow, and there is no elected members in the district. So there is a lot of disputes. Many times you all have to intervene. Therefore, all of us know the improper implementation of the government schemes because of the conduct of the district election since for the many years. Our third agenda is immediate passage of the 125th Amendment Bill to the Indian Constitution, which was in 2019 based in Rajya Sabha. Now, very early Rajya Sabha winter session is going to take place. So, through you, we are placing this memorandum to our Honorable Governor of Tripura. His Highness will place to the central government. So, I request on behalf of our party.
Maharashtra long live, Tiprasa long live, Jotona Hambai.